Shane.
And this is Dixie. And we've been living here in our Truckbed Tiny Home for 39 days now.
Last week we were in the Ocala National Forest. And
I think that was 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago we were in the Ocala National Forest and we noticed the house was starting to dip. And me and my buddy put in this as a temporary fix to hold the nose up.
Solution, but it's a solution for now.
Okay, so now we've been at our buddy Chris's house for a few days.
And I think we've come up with a permanent solution.
In true Love Hut fashion, we couldn't just go to the store and, you know, get the things we needed. We had to make use with what we had.
So Chris had a Honda brake line trolley that we decided to murder and cut apart, and we made a bracket to go underneath the bedroom of the Love Hut, and we've coined it the Business.
After welding that together and making sure it was going to fit underneath the truck, we had to make some rails to go out from underneath the running boards so that we could attach the Business and use it to hold up the truck.
Kels has always told me that she could weld, but I didn't believe her until this moment.
Right there, paint it.
Before putting all of that stuff that we welded together, we had to paint the repairs from Shane's minor wreck he got into in week 2 with the unfortunate McDonald's sign.
Face hasn't been on your paint.
My paint before. Paint that. What is this?
That's that fucking tape I was telling you about.
What is this? Is that like packing tape?
It's that flex, that garbage tape. What did I call it?
The Flex Seal tape?
Yeah, it's
That is awful.
I told you. Look at it.
I was so hoping that was going to be a good product.
Yeah, it's not.
Wow.
So meanwhile, we have another project going on. Shane broke my leg again. Don't worry, still the plastic one.
This time I didn't do it.
All right, but what's the plan to fix it, guys?
Say Dixie did it.
Well, here at Chris's Hillbilly, a redneck emporium and lemon brace prosthetics house, we gonna put some fiberglass resin on it and we'll fix it. This is how it's supposed to be. This is how it is.
All right, Dixie, come here.
Alright, well, this is the step plate up here. Look at the light. Hey, look right here. Sorry, I had to let the secondhand smoke out of my helmet. Yeah, when do you smoke? It's ready.
It's ready?
Yeah.
That's ready.
Yeah.
Does it work?
Yeah. Once you go drill some holes in this.
Okay, put holes in it.
Yeah, put holes in this.
In this.
Yeah.
Sure it's steady?
Go put holes in that.
This?
Yeah.
It'll be fine.
Just go take it.
Oh,
put some holes in it.
That's fucking hot.
Oh, is the thing I welded hot?
Yeah, no, it is. It's melting metal, I think.
Why don't you show how we test it first, though? Yeah, I think that'll hold.
Just go on, put it on there. You're not doing it.
No, I'm not. Where's the hole?
Put it on there.
Where's the hole?
It's right there.
That's the hole?
Right there.
This one?
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Put it in the
Put
hole.
the hole? Alright. Okay. You see the nuts and bolts I said on the
Yeah, I see them because I can see through metal.
Gotta knock them off.
All right, go ahead and put yours in.
Are they both going? Oh, okay.
Hold on.
Wait for it.
Yeah, right there. You got it.
Oh.
All right, just put it in there, Shane.
Stop moving it.
put it in there. I'm not moving it. You're moving it. No.
Stop.
No. Not like that. Put it in there. Do it faster. You just please me.
Fuck off!
Do it better. We don't have all day. You're never gonna get to Oklahoma if you don't put those bolts in there.
Where did you get water from?
I started, trying to think of a non-violent way to discipline you.
I'm cleaner now. I haven't bathed.
Yeah, we know you haven't bathed.
Well, I only have 3 pairs of pants.
Are you wearing all 3 of them at once, like a bag lady?
No, I don't want to wash my ass and then put my dirty pants back on. It makes me uncomfortable.
Makes you uncomfortable.
Yeah, I don't like that sensation. Do you do that? You bathe and then put your dirty clothes back on?
No, why would you do that?
Because I only have 3 pairs of pants.
So you do that. That's what you're saying. So you don't like it, but you do it because you have only 3 pairs of pants?
No. I just don't bathe until I need to change my pants.
That's gross. Stop it. Be better.
Now I don't have to bathe.
That got nowhere near your ass. Even though there is some food in your beard. Which I don't know when you had barbecue, because you've been here a few days.
They're pretzels. There's always pretzels in my beard.
Pretzels? Is that what that was?
Shane. You're doing it wrong. Why have you not got that drilled yet?
Are you a multitasking asshole?
Huh?
And the business, as they're calling it, was ready to go up above the truck and be permanently mounted to the love hut.
After hot gluing wooden strips to the foam to support the business, we decided that we needed to actually raise the hut, so we put 2 sheets of 1/4-inch plywood underneath it to give us the elevation we needed for the cab clearance.
It took quite a bit of work to get that wood back to the back of the bed so that it was creating the right amount of extra height in the right places so that, the business didn't crush the cab of our truck, because that was a bit of an issue.
It took multiple tries and a giant wooden mallet, but right before we ran out of sunlight, me and Chris got it taken care of.
The next morning, with the clearance issue taken care of, it was time to move the truck around a little bit so that it would naturally move itself back into the position that it's supposed to be in, and we could then attach all of the different pieces to this apparatus that we're coming up with. Hey Chris, what are you doing?
I'm welding a bracket for this to go into so it can bolt through. But in all honesty, I have no idea what to do. That pretty much sums up my life, I suppose.
While the boys worked on getting everything ready to attach, I worked on getting them something to attach it to. So I welded some brackets on top of these plates so that they would have something to attach these poles to.
That welder in Kelsey's hand got mine and Biggins' engine running. Time for the moment of truth. We're gonna get all this shit attached.
Meanwhile, Chris installed a new rain gutter for us so that we could fix that leak problem that we've been having. Alright guys, so we're just about done here at Chris's Hillbilly Tiny House Repair Shop. We managed to fix all of the issues that Shane caused by running into a McDonald's sign earlier.
And we also fixed the issues of the house nosing down as we were driving and when we were sleeping in it. Me and Chris fabbed together this structure, for a lack of better terms, that in essence holds the nose up with these metal support beams and is anchored to the running board with the brackets that connect to the subframe. Chris, what do you think?
I guess we'll know when you get done with the trip, if it works or not, but it should. It holds my 1/8 of a ton self. So
I think we're good to go. We gotta get in because this storm is starting. Oh, and we added a gutter over the window to fix that leak problem that we had.
Notice here, a gutter.
it's a very fine gutter. It's a great gutter. It's huge. Huge, wonderful gutter.
Mother Nature is going to test it out right now. So catch you later, guys.